Energy.
No. God damn it. Why are you making me do this? Making you? I took a video. You're fucking holding the phone. I'm calling this one Greta and this one Akira. Why would you do that? Oh, yeah. Yeah.